How to restore Zengo wallet on a new device. If you have got a new phone and want to restore the Zengo wallet, here's what to do first. Download the Zengo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and tap Restore Wallet on the welcome home screen. Next, enter the same email you used when creating your original wallet. Zengo will send you a magic link to your email. Just tap that link to verify, then use your Face ID or biometric login to confirm your identity. This step is key because Zengo uses facial recognition instead of seed phrases. Once verified, your wallet will automatically restore, including a balance, transaction history, and assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and many others. Make sure you renewal biometric login and 2FA for continued protection. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna recover your Zengo wallet on the new device. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.